Hello and welcome to the course Chess Strategies How to Play Pawn Endgames Successfully. My name is Viktor Neustroyev and I will be your instructor for this course. I'm a chess coach and a player with fight rating over 2200. As it is clear from the title, in this course I am going to teach you how to play Pawn Endgames. Pawn Endgames seem to be easy to play, but at the same time only one bad move can change the situation significantly, from winning position to absolutely losing. That's why it's really important to learn how to play pawn endgames correctly, avoiding mistakes. This course consists of 15 lectures. In every lecture I cover a certain motif which can be applied in any pawn endgame. There are simple motifs such as opposition, corresponding squares, square of the pawn, outside passed pawn, and shouldering. That is what you should definitely know if you are going to become a club player. The second part of my course is devoted to complicated motifs. From this part you will learn how to make a breakout to promote one of your pawns without any help from your king. I also show you what king activeness means and how you can win a pawn endgame only because of your king's position. There are many things to learn, such as how to gain the space, how to play against pawns with the only king, and how to use reserve tempos to force your opponent to get into Zugzwang. I designed this course mainly for beginners. Everything is described in details. But I'm absolutely sure that this course will be useful for club players too. For example, you may learn what mine squares are and how to occupy them. After finishing this course, your chances to win approximately equal pawn endgame will improve. And at the end of this course, I prepared a quiz for you so you can check yourself. Thanks for your interest in my course Chess Strategies How to Play Pawn Endgames Successfully. Feel free to take a look at the course description. Go ahead and hit that enroll button and join the class. I believe you will definitely improve your skills at playing pawn endgames after passing this course. See you inside the course.